So you're ready to make your first tutoring appointment at the Academic Support Center. So what's the first thing we need to do? We are going to go to our website. So let's get to icc.edu/ASC for Academic Support Center. Once we're there, we are going to scroll down to make an appointment. So here you can see if you already have an account, you can just put your information in here. Here are our hours as well for our East Peoria campus, and our online only tutors. But I don't have an account, so instead I'm going to click register. So here's the part where I put in all of my beautiful information, my first name, my last name, and if you want, you can put pronunciation, sound it out the best you can. So here, for your email address, we usually prefer that you put in your school email address, keep everything school related all in one place. It also is easier for us to track your information. So if you are coordinating with your professor to make sure that you get tutoring for credit or anything like that, it's just easier to keep it all with your ICC email. Then you're going to put your phone number in here. Make sure you don't forget the area code, and you're going to put your ID number in here as well. If you are a student athlete and you know that code, put that in there as well. If you were part of a TRIO program or workforce program, check that box and get that information in there. Then you'll put a nice password in there, something wonderful, 10 characters or more. You can also sign up to get text message options. Those are nice. It's basically just going to let you know when you have an appointment, when you've made an appointment, things like that. Okay, so now that I have put all of my information in, I am going to get an email to activate my account. So I'll click that link on my phone, I'll click the link to activate, and then I'll get a nice green bar on top of my screen that says that now I can log in. Now I can put my information in. And once I have login information, I can choose one of the schedules. So these are just going to be the schedules for the week of everyone who's available at each location. So if I click my East Peoria schedule, I'll see everyone that's available in East Peoria. If I click online, I can see when all of the online only tutors are available, and same for the Peoria campus. You can also use the schedules to sign up for our workshops. So we have ESL workshops running throughout the semester for English language learners, and we have student success workshops where you can sign up and learn about things like optimizing your study skills and improving your time management skills. So for today, I'll just click on East Peoria and then I will click login. Wonderful, beautiful. So now I can see here everyone that's available for the week. So maybe I've got an assignment for an English class coming up, so I could really use some help with an English tutor. So if I need help with English class, there's a few things I can do. If I already know one of the tutors at the Academic Support Center, I can sort my display options here by staff and resources. So I can select someone I already know. I know Sierra Doss is such a cool, fun tutor. So I am going to click on her name, and then I'm going to click one of these open spaces. Any of these blank white spaces is a free slot I can use to sign up for tutoring. Or if I just want to see anybody that can help me, then what I'm going to do is I will go to course selection options and I will find my specific English class. So let's go with English 111. This will show me every tutor available who tutors in this course. So again, Manny and Sierra are available. Wonderful, wonderful news. And so what I need to do next is I need to click on this empty space. And so this is when my plethora of options really begins. So I've got the date I want to come in for tutoring, the time. You can select a 30-minute session or a 1-hour session. So maybe I really need some help. I'm going to select 1 hour. Then I have the option to come in to the ASC, have a face-to-face appointment, or I can come online and meet with someone. So if we're meeting online, we'll either meet through WCOnline. So right in here, once I have my appointment made, I'll be able to click a big red button that says join your online appointment. Or I'll just meet face-to-face today. Then I can put in my course number, English 111. I will put in my instructor's name, and I will put in their email. And this is stuff I can usually find on my Canvas page somewhere. And then I'll check the discipline or the subject that I'm looking for help with, English. And what would I work on? I have a persuasive essay. When is my project due? Let's see, my appointment is on the 3rd. So let's say it is due Sunday. So we will say 9/08/24. Okay. And now we have the awesome option to choose to upload a file. So if I have a first draft or a list or even an outline of my essay, anything that's already done, or just some notes on what I think I want to do for my paper, I can upload that file. There's a list of options of the types of files you can upload. And so if I upload that ahead of time, I can give my tutor a heads up on exactly where I'm at in the paper writing stage. And then we may not have to spend time during our appointment rereading my work so far, because if I upload it when I make the appointment, they have time to read my work in advance. So we can jump right into what we need to do next once I meet with them. So I could upload a file. I can type in my document name, essay outline. So just for fun for us, I will upload this PDF of our semester hours. And so then I can create my appointment. So now I can see my attached file. This is my appointment detail. My appointment has been saved, so I can click out of here. And on my account, every appointment that I make, my own appointments, will be this nice golden color. And when I look in my email, I'll get a wonderful email letting me know that I have made this appointment. It's basically a receipt. And if for whatever reason you aren't getting emails with either the notifications for upcoming appointments or the client reports, then reach back out to us at the Academic Support Center. There may be an error with your email address in our system or something else going on with the database, and we can get that fixed for you. You just have to call, email, or just visit us in person, and we can get that sorted out for you. So now you know how to make an appointment for your free tutoring at the Academic Support Center.